If you think eyeshadow looks terrible on you because you have hooded eyes, think again. You need to learn how to do a cut crease. First, you have to prep your eyelids. If you have hooded eyes, they're gonna crease. So get something like this. This is the Dream Labs Eternal Canvas. I like this because it self-sets. You could also just use concealer and powder. One of my favorite ways to create a cut crease is with an eyeshadow shield. You can buy these on Amazon. I will link them, but they're like $5 for 100 of them. So you're gonna start with your eyes open when you place this on your eyeball because you need to know how high to place this. So I have my eyes open and I basically place it over my eyelashes. You're gonna use like a medium size fluffy brush. And I'm using the new Natasha Denona Tan palette. And I'm using the shade Sandal. These are new brushes I just got from Jessup. Zoom you in. You're gonna go back and forth along the edge of the eyeshadow shield. And voila, you have a cut crease. For the next part, you're gonna take off the sticky part and place it right along the edge of your eye. For this, I'm gonna go in with a darker color. This is the shade Dip. And I'm just gonna use the same brush and go right along the edge of the eyeshadow shield again. If you have hooded eyes, this is a great way to fake a crease and make your eyes look bigger. To clean up this part, I'm just using a dry Q-tip and I'm just wiping away the eyeshadow that's connected. Because I want a more sultry eye look, that's why I'm doing this. But you don't have to. It just won't be a cut crease. If you want a more like cat eye look, just bring it out towards like the edge of your eyebrow. And then you can keep this all matte or use glitter. We'll start with matte just so you can see the options. I'm just using a really light color and putting it all the way up to the darker brown eyeshadow and then bringing it out to really create that fake crease. And then to add a little glam, I am gonna use this fun color here called Spritz. Start just in the corner. Actually, I'm gonna place it all over the eyelid. Definitely comes out better if you use your finger, but okay, I made that a little too dark because now the cut crease kind of blends together, so I'm gonna go back in with the lighter color. You can really do whatever color you want in the middle, but we're gonna take off the eyeshadow shield. Now you have a nice little wing. Finish the lower lash line with that like lighter brown color. And you can add some winged liner if you want. This has quickly become one of my favorite liners because it's so thin. Tight lining my upper waterline with a really dark brown. And then we can add a bronzy shade to the lower lash. I added some false lashes just for a little drama, but you don't have to. And just putting some mascara on to blend the lashes together. Make sure to clean up any fallout with a little bit of makeup remover or water. And then you can finish your face. And now you have a gorgeous eyeshadow look on your hooded eyes. I was just so excited about how this eye look came out that I forgot to film an ending. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna try this eyeshadow look out. And check out my other eyeshadow tutorials for hooded eyes on my channel. Everything will be linked below. And don't forget to give this a like, it really helps my channel, and follow.